Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Saroar Mahdi. Today I came here to speak on a very important thing that we all have to follow and we all have to know. You know that before going on a stage we must need something to do that will increase our fluency or that will increase our confidence. Yeah, I'm talking about a very important thing that is unleash your voice. You have to unleash your voice to delivering a speech on a stage. So there are so many times we face also our nervousness, but by unleashing your voice, you can unleash your nervousness, and you can take or you can deliver a best speech which you can. You won't have no things, nothing. Mainly in a speech, what we face actually. There are so many problems we face. Okay, but why we face that? Because we lost our confidence. This is the one of the most important point in a speech, that you shouldn't lost your confidence. Suppose I'm doing a speech here, but if I lost my confidence, what will happen? My everything will be gone. Okay, so if there, suppose I'm saying a word one by one sentences I'm speaking, or this does not mean that I memorize from one place and now I'm delivering it. Because in a speech, you want told exactly that you will be given this topic that you have to say. This is not actually. You have to get anything. A random thing can be said you. Then you have to deliver a speech on that topic. So in the same way, you shouldn't need any times to deliver. You, of course, you can be take some time to deliver, to think about on the topic. The same thing like me. I'm delivering a speech here, but I don't know actually what I have to say, or I didn't memorize anything to actually. Yeah, you have to memorize some of the main points, but not all of the speeches, all of the things which you will say actually. So, and when you will be in a stage, you can be lost your confidence if you don't unleash your voice or unleash your confidence. Okay, so this is a very important thing. Then I will tell you some tips, okay, to unleash your voice. And by this way, you can unleash your confidence. You can unleash, you can unleash your problems. Okay, so how to do this? Yeah, there are 6 exercises. Okay, there are 6 exercises total. Those are called oral exercises. Okay, if you practice this, so even with some times or with some minutes before going to stage, so and then time, you can grow your more confidence in your own self, that you can deliver fluently with overconfidence that I am speaking. Of course, my parts are right, my points are right, which am I saying that is absolutely correct. So for gaining this confidence, you have to do something special, and not this is not only for your confidence, also in your mind, in your brain, one part is also developed by this, by its exercise. Okay, that is called hippocampus. There, the hippocampus is developed, okay, by these exercises every day or before delivering a speech or any presentation. So let's move there. What are those actually? The first step, that is that like you have to muscle your jaws. I mean, you have to master your muscles actually. And by the way, and this is the first step, and by this way you can get a more you know that when we talk something, our muscle move. Okay, but if you do this, if you massage this very smoothly, so it will move very fastly. Okay, and then we have a very important thing that is also that is there are so many words or so many pronunciation come from our lips. Okay, but what we have to do then, there are exercise like this is, and with the previous thing, that is called the foundation. Okay, and the second step is like saying ba, ba, like ba, of course pressing your lip very hardly, and ba. So you will say repeating ba ba again and again. This is the second step, and another step there is also, that is your vibrating. Okay, if you press two lips together, And then if you vibrate it, so what will be the sounds here? Do you know this will be like of course this is very funny, but this is exercise to develop your hippocampus, to develop your confidence. Okay, and then we have our fourth step. What is that? Of course our lip is working, also our tongue will be also work. Okay, so of course there is an exercise with our tongue. What is that? That is your tongue is here, and you have to do you know that what letter comes from your tongue? What is that? That is L. Okay, so if you say LA, that means why you have to press your tongue to, yeah, you have to press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. This is you cannot, it is here, and not I'm not saying the roof of your building. This is totally funny. Just roof, you have to touch uh, end of the place of your tongue to touch the roof of your mouth, like ooh, ooh, you know the sound of L. Then LA, that means la, la, la. Very funny and very interesting, of course. You have to say this again and again. Okay, by this way, your tongue will be very active. Okay, if you say any types of things with L, you will feel more confidence to say. Your pronunciation will be more fluent. Okay, this is very, very important. And finally, we have our vibration with our lips. Okay, that is like, ooh, not this is just a things. What is the vibration? Like this. Okay, just seems like a ride a motorcycle without motorcycle. Okay, you are riding but without a motorcycle. What do you do then? Oh, okay, like this actually. By the way, these were the five steps, and then we have finally the siren. Okay, in the siren, this will help you to your pronunciation. It will help you to your pronunciation, of course, and also which is very, very important. What is that? That is we. You know, we. What does this mean? We. This is a plural form of us. Or there are so many things. Then we can say we are here, and then so like after a W, add here so many e's. So what will be the pronunciation? We. And then add one or two a. We are. And then if you place here a W, then what will be the pronunciation? Meow. Very interesting, isn't it? Okay, this will help you. This is called the siren. Okay. You have to know, and if you do these exercises to your own self, you can unleash your voice, and you can unleash those things which you the problems. Okay, we all face problems on the stage, mainly to deliver a speech in front of many, many people, and some of things to if you want to if you when you go to the stage and when you see the many people is in front of you, then you can be lost your confidence. To recover your confidence before going to stage, do this so you can't lost your confidence on the stage. So that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.